Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Tirana, Albania, and I'm at the Cloud. Suj Kimioto, I think that's the guy's name that made it, but this is called the Cloud. It's a tourist attraction here in Tirana. Let's take a look. And it's kind of interesting. They're spraying hoses, but and I think it's just an art thing. But it's interesting. So the guy's name is, I said it wrong, I'm sure, but Sao Fujimoto. So I don't know if he donated it or I don't know anything about it. You know me, everybody. So but it looks like you can go inside of it too, I think, over here. But it's certainly interesting and crazy. And the perspectives are unique too, and it looks like it has glass tables up there or something. I don't know for sure. Wow, okay. Huh. You can see the little platform is a little round, but there's nothing you could put on top of them, I don't think. I think maybe they're just for blocking out the rain, maybe, so you could sit under here. Now, I'd read you this, but it's all in Albanian, and it's all spray painted, so that's no bueno, but it's really cool looking. I'll pan around here really slowly and you guys can see it all a little more. Make sure I'm zoomed all the way out here. And this is called the Cloud. And I think this fell in the top 10 for Tirana. Oh, and they got cameras in here too, so you can't do too much monkey business. And it looks like they have stairs here where you can go up and sit on those things. Maybe they do presentations here or something. I have no idea, family. But they have them over here too. And there's another, oh, it says a programmer. So maybe they do programs here or something. Now there's sprinkling water, so I don't want to get wet. A dance performance, Balkan Brass, Jonida Prifty. So when is that? 5:17. So where am I at? I guess I'm not even close. This is the May program, so we're a little past that. And here's the regulations. But anyway, okay. Well, now you guys have seen the Cloud and know that they do programs here, and maybe there's a little dance thing here or something, I don't know. And there's more chairs on this side and more chairs on the other side. Just interesting. The Cloud, everybody. Thanks for sharing my morning. Bye-bye.